Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
SociLINKS review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called SociLINKS. So this is the SociLINKS review, and right now we are on the blue sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 13 minutes long. So well explained demo video. We'll get back to the demo video later on. And we also have the login access of the software where you can see these are the projects. So we'll cover these things one by one, starting with the sales page. Find some time, maybe half an hour. And it says here, finally, a simple way to create profit generating social bios without coding, website creation, funnel building, or anything complicated. All in one bio link technology turns social media bios into interactive lead gen and selling machines with a single click. Charge businesses to top dollar to supercharge their social bios with the most feature rich bio app ever released. Full stop is missing. This is the perfect service to offer in 2023, and we use this to get paid this much plus over and over in our spare time. That is a lie. How we get paid 900 plus high ticket payments in just 3 steps depends. Step 1, use included the deal finder tool to get a paying client without cold calling or hard selling. That is impossible. Powerful bio link for your new clients within 60 seconds. Deploy the bio link to your client's social media with a few clicks and get paid high ticket payments. Well, to put this in simple words, you will be creating some bio links as they're saying. Now those bio links will look like one of these. So maybe if I click here and let's open this link here for you. So this will be the end result. You will be creating a profile on SociLINKS.com, and you can always customize and add more features here. You can add payment buttons, lead gen form here, your social media, as you can see, YouTube video or a Vimeo video. So it is like Linktree.com if you are using Linktree for your social profile. But in this software, you can do many more things, okay? Such as in Linktree, you might not be able to add your own product or Stripe or PayPal, but in this one, you can. So we will cover all that in the demo video. And so that's all you will be creating. And how would you make money with this is if you find some clients who are ready to pay you money for creating these kind of bio profile or bio pages for them, okay? So that's what they mean here, that you have to go and sell this as a service to somebody out there. If you're a freelancer or you are some local digital marketing company and you know if you can make the use of this software to make some money, you can go and grab this. You may find the link below my YouTube video in the description, okay? Apart from that, if you are a newbie only, unfortunately, newbies will not be able to make money with this because you need traffic, okay? Traffic means you need people who will buy this from you or buy your services. And as a newbie, you are not going to know anything about how to find people online who will buy from you, okay? As a newbie, I will stop you from buying this. But if you're a freelancer, experienced one, and you have some agency and you know what you're doing, then you can go and buy this after watching this review. For newbies can go below my YouTube video and they can check out these links here. The first link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is like currency trading. We buy currency and we sell. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. However, you don't have to do this manually. We will be using this machine, as you can see here, our virtual computer, and we will be installing a software on this graph, and that software will be buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. That's what the software will do all the time. And that is how you will make your profits on daily basis, okay? So you will have to learn how to set up this machine and the software by going through this training, by visiting the first link. And we will talk about everything in detail in the end. And the second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. It will help you to come and make reviews on YouTube and do affiliate marketing and get your YouTube channel monetized. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only. And your YouTube channel will be monetized within 30 days maximum. And why this is important? Because once your YouTube channel is monetized, then you can make money without even selling anything. You might have seen some ads in my YouTube video, so these ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not huge money, but little bit money. Okay, so it's worth, if you make your videos, you should still get paid regardless if somebody will buy or not. That's what has been happening for me. So check out these links in the end. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you can click on super thanks button. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do all of that, and we will again talk about these links in the end in detail. So let's get back here on the sales page and let's see anything else we have to talk about. So again, these are the features. Who can use it? Agency, license, coding, without coding, deal finder tool. So let me see if we have deal finder tool here. Dashboard, orders, products, membership, people. Let's see, people, settings, Stripe, PayPal, you can see all that, membership, deal finder. I'm not sure if I have deal finder. Maybe that is the part of OTO. I guess you might have to buy the OTO for deal finder. Okay, and let's see here, people love this. Stripe payments, don't go on that. It's on you, what kind of services you sell to your clients and how do you actually find those clients. That's the problem. Okay, so if you know what you're doing, your experience, you have traffic, you have clients who will happily buy this from you as a service, then you can go and grab this, as I said, after watching the video till the end, right? So let's get to the bottom, Sam, and get some questions answered. You can put the bonuses in your BOM. I don't care about the bonuses. I like the shoes. Yep, $37 is going to cost you. And is it easy to get started with SociLINKS? I will not even open this. The answer will be yes. Do I need experience? No. Are there any monthly fees? Right now we have slashed, so it's a one time for now. Do you provide money back guarantee? 30 days, step-by-step training included. They are saying there is training inside, even though the demo video is 13 minutes long and it is well explained. So they are actually talking in the demo video, which is a good thing. How are you different? So I will not open this one. Does your software work easily on Mac and Windows? It works on the browser. Do you provide support? If they say they do, email them, right? Cool, so that's done. Now let's talk about the demo videos. So probably you will find the demo video on the sales page, I guess, but I will leave the link of this demo video below my YouTube video somewhere here. So go below my YouTube video and find the link that says watch SociLINKS demo here. Click on that link, come to the video here, play it and watch the demo video for 13 minutes in your free time. You can see this is how your bio page will look like. You can add your donate button, your product here, and something else here. So let's proceed further quickly. I will not take much of the time because 30 minutes is something which you have to spend from your end. Let me refresh this. This is the problem with new Vimeo. The videos get stuck. Anyways, so if you're using Vimeo, make sure you talk to them and tell them about this problem. This is how you create your bio link and everything. I will not spend much time, but here you can see there are many options. You can add products as well, you can add membership site as well, you can add your links as well here. So too many features. And you can add your autoresponder as well, you can add your Stripe as well, and I think Linktree allows you only basic features. I don't think Linktree allows everything from here. Otherwise I would have recommended you that you go on Linktree and do it for free. But I guess in this one you might be able to add something extra which might not be available on Linktree. Okay, right, so you can add your product as they're saying, and I will see how the end result looks like. So this is the page. Here people come and pay you in multiple forms. You can enable your Stripe as well by adding the live Stripe secret key. You can integrate your GetResponse, MailChimp, as you can see here. Now this is how it looks like, and then you will click on sign up, so they will be able to give you their email and name. They can also, you can also put in phone number if you want to collect phone numbers. But name and email will be good enough. Then you can have donate box if you want to. It depends, how will you be using this, or for whom are you creating this bio page. You could be working for some social media influencer or for some business, plumber, electrician, who knows, right? So you can add these products, donation box or some membership sites according to their business needs. And you can see this is gonna accept, Stripe, credit cards and PayPal. Take request is like a future service. So take request means people will pay you and they will ask for your, I guess, maybe shout out that you can take their questions in your podcast or in your YouTube videos or whatever. Okay, so there are many ways to make money online as long as you have an audience, as long as you have traffic. So demo is done. Just go and spend your own time to in watching this demo video, 13 minutes. After that, you can decide if you want to, if you want to buy this or not. And then once you buy this, you will come to this dashboard from where you click on new project, I guess, and then you follow the prompts. I will not follow anything here. So if I click on something, maybe this one, let's see how does it look like. Let's open the link in a new tab. Okay, so nobody has worked on this. I think only Andrew's one was the one which I showed you before. So you go to this dashboard again and maybe click on this Mike Yo and anything else here. So you will have to work on add these features. Again, nothing here blank. Only Andrew's one is, I guess, working. Which one was that? Andrew, this one, right? So you come here again and you open this. And you can see one YouTube video, then get instant access. This is the form. And Google link here, so this could be an affiliate link or this could be anything, right? So it looks okay to me. There's nothing much wrong if it works, but yes, so it's a one-time software they're saying. And let's get to the OTOs here. Okay, so front end will cost you 37 bucks. Then you have OTO 1, which will be unlimited, everything in front end, that will cost you 57. Done for you OTO 2 for 197. I don't know what you will be paying for 197. OTO 3 is done for you, money making campaigns. I will not buy this. OTO 4 is the rights. Okay, so choose and pick here and decide if you need this or not. Again, these are the OTOs. They have not explained much here that what are you going to get inside. So yeah, and let's get back. Now let's talk about those people who want to make money online. If you're a newbie, this is not for you. Newbies need traffic, not bio social links. Okay. So if you're a newbie, go below my video, click on the first link here where it says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. You will be on this page. Then enter your email address, enter your name, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch the videos there and then take action, okay? Because you will have to go through the training and learn all the basics and learn how to set up this machine, how to set up the software and start doing trading automatically. The software will be working, okay? But you still have to go through the transition process, that how to learn this method, right? If you can learn, implement, take action, this is for you. If you cannot learn, take action, then no problem. Come back, subscribe, like, and leave. So people who want to make money on autopilot with Forex, go for this training. If you want to make money with YouTube, then go for Traffic Jarvis and do exactly what I'm doing right now. Because this thing which you see here, trading, it does not work on Saturday, Sunday. So while this thing works on autopilot in the back end, I still have a lot of time to come and make YouTube videos. And that is why I am doing both. You can choose to do both as well or just one, right? The recap here is SociLINKS, good for people who know how to find clients and sell this as a service, or use it for your own bio. If you are some kind of influencer or you have some traffic, just use it in your own strategy, right? And if you're a newbie, again, don't buy this. Newbies need to go below the video and check out these methods. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change, these numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training, and this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.